man. Why my wife I do with this? And then see what I go on. Why my wife I want? Yeah, but I'm switch by time we reach. I don't know what's going on. Because Kyle, everybody, I don't know. But well.
It's gone. Push Jada face like a dummy just born. Oh, you woman still a beggar, you a sell pussy hard. Hopeless girl, better you keep on your jaws. Working back, yeah, hype me up. You a boss, go property, me buy these enough diamonds for me chain, every ice freeze up. Plus the Rolls Royce, and you for try to keep up. Like, okay, that's so weird. Like, and that's so weird.
Marking at the end, talking about the fake Twitter video, guys. All of us know that that's not me on the video. We've been cleared this up 2 years ago. Like, the girl already come for it, but I'm telling you lot now, yeah. I'm not responding. I can't. It's a good song. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good song, but it's a bit too lukewarm. Do you get what I mean? Like, it's a bit too lukewarm for me. After 2 days, you come back with this. This is the response. This is it. Who's pressuring you to do these things? Like, who will pressure you? Like, you don't know you're limited. It's a good song, but for a comeback, I'm not gonna lie. It's not cutting it. It's not cutting it for me. It's too lukewarm for me. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not doing anything. Like, but me forget say you respond. I know it's even out. Alright. I feel like yeah, try remix some of the things but me don't tell you already. I'm only saying this because I'm not responding, yeah. It's if I respond, it's stupid. It's so dumb. It makes no sense. She's taking a piss right now. Like, I know she's doing this because obviously, you know, she's a bigger artist. She under pressure. Her family are this, her family are tell her this and whatever. So me understand say she do this because she under pressure. Like the beginning bad. Like she used my voice for the intro. Yeah. That work. Everybody know my intro them. Like say
suck your mother, girl, you a dash me belly, girl, you baby up with them on you.
Alright.
Not back from the war, you a talk about incest.
You can't say you're not back from the war when you're already back from the war. It's like you gave me too much ammunition. Like I already have 2 songs, well, 1.5 songs ready for you, been. And this is how I know it's a waste of time to respond. Like, it's a waste of time. You get it? Like, it's a waste of time. You understand? And I'm telling you, you obviously like her song. I like the song. That doesn't mean I can't do. This song is not, please. Like, I like the song. I'm telling you guys, why you guys try to twist my words all the time? What's wrong with you? I just said it's a good song. What's wrong with you? It's a good song, but it doesn't have me amped up. Like, I'm not amped, like you know? Like, if I was gonna respond, I wouldn't come on live. I'm not, because it's a waste of time. It's too much free ammunition. Like, guys, you wouldn't even want to know what I already have written down. It's insane. Like, she responded because she had to. She didn't have a choice. And we understand that. And it's a good song. And then I said she's trying to prove a point. And we get it. You understand? And that's good. Go on with it, babes. Go on with it. We don't know what Omega said, but trust me, guys, please. No. No. Just the fact that, like, I'm ready to drop it. Like, it just don't make sense. But for all the people who just came on the live, we are vibe to my new diss track. Bad song. Bad song.
Suck your mother, girl, you a dash me belly, girl, you baby up with them, I haunt you. You're not back from the war, you a talk about incest when your daddy did a fuck you.
So that back, though. And I'm back from the war. You back from the war already, babes. And this is why. This is why. It's there. You posted it in the public. It's to the public. It's to the public. Oh my God, I have a son and he's gonna see these things. And how would you feel? And I don't respect that, and lies and lies. You should have just shut up. Don't cry, Cree. Don't cop a plea. Just shut up and drop this. But it's like, I already tell you how much you was an incest. Now you're gonna come and say I fucked my dad. Are you silly? Are you silly? Are you taking a piss? You taking a piss now, Steph? You're taking a piss with me now, babe. Go. Come down, man. You won, girl. At this point, you're resilient. Yeah, you're resilient. The fact that me already have, like, it's crazy. Like, too much ammunition. Like, you talk about 16 shots. You mean 16 man? Like, 16 man in that studio. Like, girl, like, please. You're exposing your family of yourself. Like, it's crazy. But guys, I don't want you guys to be biased. It's a good song, but it's too weak for a comeback, if that makes sense. She should, this song even have more vibes than the last song she did. You understand? So yeah, like, I love it. It's bad. Like, you done ball career already. You disappeared for 3 days. And it's like, okay. Weak. Like, for what I would say and what I would, is weak. But, yeah. She killed you. Yeah, me dead. Yeah. She killed me. Kill me. Bemba be tell her that. She done me. Yeah, the girl gather me. Third degree. Yeah. Yeah, the girl gather me 3rd degree. Trust me, and this is why I'm afraid. This is why I'm afraid. Now, and I can't answer. Me. Win, gal. Go on with it, gal. Okay, gal. Go on with it, my gal. Go on with it, my gal. Like, you guys don't understand, like, clash culture, like, even the titles. Dead gal walking, dead gal talking. The artwork, them, it's a waste of time for me, bro. Like, you not leave no stain. Like, you're not, like, babes, you win, you won, babes. Like, it's, and then you come back with about self pussy argument, Burkid. I love it. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. And guys, for the last time, I'm not answer. Stop telling me for fucking answer. I'm not answer. I waste of time. Trust me. It bad. This beat the whole of my song them. That song ya? That song I beat the whole of my song. The girl wait, the girl go on, friend. Yeah, girl. You carry me, girl. You group up and you carry me, girl. Yeah, like, you don't understand what clash culture is about, and this is how I know. Like, the fact that even, like, you ball cree, bro. You disappear, and you come back with this. You go live with one burger in the studio. Them talk about my body big, and them love it. You're this lesbian people, but you're all you're not serious. 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 You're not. You're not. You're not serious. You're not serious. You can't recycle my bars. Stop over fuck my father. Like I said that already. I literally just said you fucked your uncle. And this is what you came back with. Are you serious? Are you kidding? You lot taking a piss. You're crazy. Are you serious? Like, you guys really want me to respond to this? I'm disappointed. I am. The clash is done now. The clash is done. But you had to say this because you had to get something out. And it bad. I know your fans them is gonna root for you. They should, because mine's still gonna root for me. Period. Love it. Love it. But didn't leave a stain or any fake. And the amount of things I already have. I have something already, but it's like it don't make sense I do this because how many times are we gonna go? You lick him that outside back water. You're half dead, girl. Feel like a bit, please. Me not waste my song. Me not waste my song. Me not waste my lyrics. All of these things. Can't bother. It's okay. She won. Me forgot let you know down here, so I'm sorry. If you don't want to stick with me, go on. Go on. Me forgot let you know down. Center man, center trash. You're not serious. You're not. But you win. You won. Cause dead girl walking, dead girl talking, that. Just the titles alone is like, what is it like? It's who's it targeted to? Like Clash Culture is about gimmicks. Clash Culture, like not gimmicks. It's like trolling. It's about like creativity. You're not an idea. Like you're not an idea. You're not an idea. It's dead. Next award. Dead girl dancing. I talk about Dash Rebellion 2024. Had bomb pussy. Fuck. I love it though. Get that to you. Sorry guys, with me. After last night, I just went to sleep. I literally went to sleep and I woke up and I said, let me really listen to this thing. Drop one more bomb for what? It's even. We'll drop 4. Should drop 2. Me drop 2. Good. Oh no, be the judge of that now. For no business that. I don't business about it no more. This is it's lukewarm. Like I don't know. She's under pressure and it's so obvious and it's so embarrassing and like my love says she respond. That's tough. Go on with the road, my girl. Go on with the road, my girl. Rate as an artist, not upset. Go on with the road, my girl. You're dating. You're dating. You're dating, my girl. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. The third song is This Is Jamaica. Fuck no. Fuck this. Kiss my ass. Kiss my ass. She make enough fear. Like, she make it too easy. She's making it too easy. Literally, like, she even only addressed what? 2 things in this song about what I said in my last song. So by this point, she needs to make another song. Because Big Buddy, what's up? It's out now. Go stream. I Don't Give One Fuck is out. The video is out. Go stream that. Call it what you want. I don't give one fuck what you think about me. Some say the best things in life free, but them not chat about my pussy. Yeah, I Don't Give One Fuck. That's out. Those Days is out. I shot the video yesterday morning. So I soon dropped the video for Those Days. Rich Auntie Sue forward. Top Tier forward. And yeah, we vibe into Steph new diss track. Walking Dead. I mean, Dead Girl Walking. I mean, Dead Girl Talking. So Dead Girl Walking is one and Dead Girl Talking is the next one. Okay. So yeah, we vibe into this. This is a bop. It's bad. Don't be biased. It's bad, but is it a great comeback? Is it better than? Please. But I give it to her. You know, she respond, but you win. Quad.
Yeah, everybody know that. We are here. That's fucking it. Suck your mother, girl, you a dash your belly, girl, you baby up with them on you. Not back from nowhere, you a talk about incest when your daddy did a fuck you. Bitch, nobody don't love you. Make you a sing about me family, no so. You just dead, tell me how you resurrect. Me a put you back in your casket. Bossy my go so somebody just gone. Push Jada face that I don't be just gone. Oh, your mama still a beggar, you a sell pussy hard. Hopeless girl, better you keep on your job. Working back, yeah, me up, you a boss, bow, property, me buy these love diamonds for me chain, every eyes freeze up. Just
Bad song. So yeah. Yeah. But is that a good? I love you guys. I love you guys. I love what I do. I love this industry. This yeah. This is nice. Play me song. She responded and said, I'm gonna bring a lawsuit. She said she's done. Huh? Jada, the song mad. Yeah, the song mad. The song's so bad. Alright. Would you take care, you see? I would have a good time, you see? Alright. Later.